I wanted to record my quick and easy go-to makeup look for whenever I go out to eat with my friends, or if I'm literally gonna go to somebody's house or something fast. I actually haven't been going out that much because of COVID, but when I did go out or when I go out with people who are in my COVID bubble, this is the makeup look that I wear. This is the makeup bag that I use. I bought this in Target. I think it was like $5. I have owned many makeup bags from Sephora, which are like my traveling bags and stuff like that, but I actually really like this one. I can fit everything in it, and this is literally my favorite makeup products that I use every single time that I do my makeup. I have a huge Alex and Annie drawer, which if you guys want to see full of makeup, all of my makeup, I can do a shop my stash makeup thing for you guys. But yeah, if you guys want to see my super quick and easy makeup, then just keep watching. All right guys, so I've already started to take out some stuff out of my bag. So I typically use a foundation brush. This is a cosmetic foundation brush, or a beauty blender to spread my foundation. I'm going to pick my hair up with my clip that I always have, and I'm just going to use this mirror to put on my foundation, which is from the Anastasia Amerzy highlighter, which was a limited edition, which I absolutely love this highlighter. And then my favorite all-time foundation is the Hourglass foundation stick. It is amazing. I absolutely love this foundation. I've been using it and rebuying it for like 2 to 3 years already, and it's great. It's also good for on the go because it's just like done. All right, if I'm constantly blowing my nose or going like this, it's because I'm very allergic to my cat, and that's why my eyes are a little bit watery and I feel very runny nose congestion. First thing I do is I'm going to take my Hourglass foundation, which I barely have any, but don't worry, I have a backup, and I'm just going to put it on my face, everywhere, and my neck. I have broken out a lot because I wear a mask for 13 hours, and then I wear a mask when I'm outside of work, so my face is just all terrible, which is great. I don't mind wearing it if I'm going to protect other people from me or myself from other people. All right, I think my foundation is completed. So this is the way that it looks. It honestly makes your skin look great, like super flawless. I love it. I forgot to tell you guys, the foundation is in the color Warm Beige. Okay. All right, so my next step is that I typically do my eyeshadow. I have been using the Natasha Denona Camel palette. I bought it on Sephora last year, and it actually came broken. If you can see it there, the eyeshadows are so soft, so this one came broken, so I have to be cautious opening it. So I've been using that, and then I've also been using this Glamour from Colored Rain eyeshadow on top of that, which I got in my Ipsy bag, which I love. And this is what the color looks like. It's like super pretty to put on top. My favorite two go-to colors is brown and like a glitter. So I am just going to take this brown and some of this brown. So this brown and some of this brown and then some of this, and put it on my lid. Okay. I just realized something. I realized that I did not use a primer. So here's the thing. Sometimes I use a primer and sometimes I don't. I don't feel like using a primer makes a huge difference in my makeup. The only thing that really helps my makeup is if my skin is not dry. Like right now my eyelids are a little bit dry, which is okay. But if I do use a primer, I use a Cover FX primer. I have the gripping primer and the blurring primer. So these are the ones that everyone was obsessed with. They love them so much. I think that they're okay. I don't think they do much for like my makeup. I don't think like it makes it last any longer or anything like that. I really like the Smashbox Primerizer, which I've ordered. I don't have it right now. I ran out of it. I bought it like 3 times because it's like a primer and a moisturizer. Okay. Now for mascara, I'm going to try the Honest Beauty Extreme Length Mascara. Honest Beauty is a company that's owned by Jessica, and I love Jessica. So I support a lot of the people that I love, and I actually like a lot of her skincare products of the Honest Beauty. I've tried like the cleanser and acne medication. So this is the mascara. It has 2 sides. It has a lash primer on this side and then the mascara on this side. So let's try both. I've actually owned a lash primer before. I bought the Dior lash primer because everybody was in love with it, but I didn't like that it was so white. So it opens like this. Oh, it's so little. Okay, interesting. So the lash primer is on this side and it opens up like this, but then you turn it over and then the mascara opens up like this, the opposite way. Interesting. So our eyes are done. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, to be honest with you. I really want to like it, but I don't like the wand. Like, I don't like how thin it is. All right, next up on our itinerary, I think I'm actually gonna leave you guys zoom in like this because I feel like you guys can see my makeup better. I don't know, you let me know. So next up I'm going to go in with bronzer. I love bronzer. I love me some bronzer. My friends always make fun of me because they're like, hey, like, how's your bronzer life? I'm like, it's amazing. I own so many bronzers. I've probably tried them all. I love to look tan and beautiful, and typically I travel a lot, but this year obviously I have not been traveling. But I usually travel. I have like a little tan going on, you know, not Dominican, Caribbean side, but not this year. So one of my favorite bronzers, which I have continuously bought, is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And it smells so good. It smells like coconuts. I love it so much. And then my all-time favorite brush to use for my contour is the Luxie Large Angle Brush. Oh my god, I have owned this brush for more than 5 years. I'm gonna say maybe like 7 years. So because I've owned it for so many years, and yes, I do clean this brush regularly, but I did repurchase a new one of this brush, and I still have not opened it. And the reason for that is because I am a Taurus and I have a big problem letting things go. I like to use the same products, the same thing all the time. Even if I buy new things and I like step out of my comfort zone, I'm still like, no, I like what I like, and I like to use the same thing. I like the same people around me all the time. Oh, this is the OG original. It's like a little, like, coming out a little bit there. It's like coming out at the seams there because of how many times I've washed it and reused it, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna change it. No, I'm not. I'm going to go in with the bronzer. It has like a pretty design, and I'm going to do the OG 3, which I learned from my girl Kim Kardashian and her sister Chloe. So I'm gonna dip into it a lot, tap out the excess, and here we go. Next up, I'm going to highlight with what has been my mirror. I also use the same brush to highlight, which I lost in my car, but it is the Real Techniques. I think it's called the highlighter brush. It's pink and black and I love it so much. But I think it fell like in my car because I take this in my car and I do my makeup in the car all the time. It's limited edition. I wish they would resell it because I would repurchase it. I love it. I feel like it just like adds, it goes with all makeup looks, and just like, look at that, like it just, it like completes everything. I love it so much. I am also a big fan of Glow. I wish I looked like my girl J-Lo, but I don't. But look at that. Ignore my acne going on there. Ambient, it's like a mini version. It's also very pretty, but it's white, so that way I have like a gold and white. Depends on like how I'm feeling. Sometimes I combine both and I just like, you know, super highlight my friends and I'm like, hi, it's me, remember me, J-Lo Glow. Also really try to get into using blush. This is the Tarte Exposed blush, which is so pretty. I might put some today because I look a little white. It's like the most beautiful pink, light pink color. Did I look happy? Did I look happy? Did I look happy? Sometimes I use concealer. To be honest with you, if I'm gonna do this makeup look, which is my everyday makeup look, I do not use concealer. This is the MAC gloss in the color Spite. It's like a brownish color. All of my lip colors are brown, all of them. This is my favorite lipstick. It is KKW. I don't even know what number it is, to be honest. It might be like 7. Brown, of course. It's so pretty. I love it so much. And then I go in with my spray. This is the Fenty Beauty What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. I'll show you guys the spray on it. It's pretty nice, misty spray. Alright you guys, so this is the final makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. It is a like super cool toned brownish makeup look. I feel like it goes really well with my hair, and I don't know, when I do it I just feel like really pretty. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.